Hello, kids. Today, we're going to explore something amazing, primary and secondary colors. Are you ready to learn how we can make new colors by mixing the basic ones? Let's get started. Do you know what the most important colors are? They're called primary colors. The three primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. You can't make these colors by mixing others, but you can use them to make lots of new ones. Now, let's see what happens when we mix two primary colors. First, let's mix red and blue. What color do you think we'll get? Wow, look at that! Red and blue together make purple. This new color is called a secondary color. Next, let's try mixing red and yellow. Are you ready to see what happens? Wow! We've made orange. Red and yellow together create the secondary color orange. Finally, let's mix blue and yellow. Can you guess what color this will make? Wow! Blue and yellow make green. Another secondary color created by mixing two primary colors. So, let's remember what we learned today. Our primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. And when we mix them, we can make secondary colors. Isn't color mixing fun? Now that you know all about primary and secondary colors, you can try mixing paints at home and see what other colors you can create. Thanks for joining me today. See you next time for more colorful adventures.